Hey everybody, my name's Paul, and this is Cody.
Hey!
Anyways, welcome to our shop. The Chevelle just rolled in. This is an OEM car, meaning it was restored to OEM condition, every single nut, bolt, washer. We're gonna lift this car, we're gonna pull the wheels, clean the wheels inside and out, clean the undercarriage, polish and wax the paint, detail the interior of the engine, just get this thing spruced up. Built OEM, meaning nothing's custom. You can see the chalk marks here. That's how it would have been built back in the day. Nothing fancy, just exactly the way it came off the assembly line. So we got a brand new Porsche Carrera S here. We do all different types of vehicles. We prepped it and then we did full body paint protection film. Every inch of the car is covered in film. We did a windshield skin, same type of film. We ceramic coated the whole exterior, all the glass. Lifted the car, pulled the wheels, ceramic coated the wheels, calipers, the whole interior, all the trim. You can see we do all different kinds of vehicles. Jeeps right there, my forklift we did. Painted it, ceramic coated it. 75 C10, my buddy Dan. We removed the wheels so we could ceramic coat his brand new wheels inside and out. We already did correction and coating and PPF on this truck. Getting it ready for the truck show this weekend. He's gonna pick it up today. Actually, it's getting towed today. All right, I got it from here. Thanks.
Yeah.
I always have two people get wheels up and down off the wheel benches because it's a lot safer for us. Our backs don't get hurt. We're really careful with these wheels and tires. You know, these are expensive. So F-150, full paint correction on it because it was in rough condition. It's getting full front paint protection film. And then we got new emblems to put on over the film. We're gonna ceramic coat the whole truck, pull the wheels, ceramic coat them inside and out, detail the interior, engine bay, trim. This is our prep area, washing, claying, all that kind of stuff. So we got a 2018 Toyota Tacoma. We're gonna acid wash those wheels inside and out because they're disgusting. Get all that brake dust off, strip the tires, clean the fender and the fender wells. And we're gonna detail this engine bay. It's really dirty, as you can see. We're gonna do like a restoration detail, bring it back to new, do paint corrections, ceramic coating, and we're also gonna remove all the tint that's currently on it and replace it all with new tint.
Hey guys, Cody from Sprenger's Detailing. We're gonna detail the motor. So we open up the motor, we do the underside of the hood, we get into the actual jams of the motor too. We use these brushes, get into real small areas like this. Completely treat the whole motor, make it nice and clean, brand new. Did the motor, did the door jams and the wheel wells, the wheels. Prep this guy for ceramic coating. Might have to do a two-step, one-step. I'm gonna figure it out, but it's gonna make this paint look right. We're getting to the end of the day, wrapping up. I gotta clean the shop a little bit before we take off. This is our wheel bench area. This is where we put wheels to polish, ceramic coat. We take all these wheel stands off, clean off the tables, vacuum the carpet, you know, wipe down all the cabinets, all the tool cabinets. We'll take a vacuum and wipe down our quick jacks. We'll wipe down everything in the shop. You know, we sweep and we mop once a week. We keep it very tidy around here, especially if you're doing PPF and tint. It's definitely vital to keep a very clean shop. So down to our bathrooms, just always clean. So.